Hi, I think I'm going to do some cooking tonight. I did a lot of cooking. There's already a bunch of dinners in there. But I bought these on sale, and they need to be cooked right away. Some zucchini. So I've cleaned out and cleaning out the refrigerator. I used some onion that's been in there for a while, and I bought these mushrooms. And I got a couple of tofu pieces in here, and I've got some cheese in here. Cottage cheese that's been around in the freezer for a long time. It's going in there. It's going to get cooked, and some tomato sauce. So I'm going to cook all this up, and that's going to be a main dish in something, and some more TV dinners. And it's all pretty much fat-free. Let's see, non-fat cheese. The tofu probably has a little fat content, but nothing else. That's it. So I'm going to turn off the camera a little bit and do my cooking, and when I get ready to put them in trays, I think I'll show you that. Okay, I'd say that the cooking is coming along okay. And I've already opened this. This is what I used for my last fat-free pizza. And I only have one of those things, one of those flatbreads left, so I think I better use this. Alright, so what we got in here is tomato sauce, or pasta sauce, I guess. A couple of cubes of tofu, a whole bunch of mushrooms, and some onions that are well cooked. But then that's the only way I like onions, well cooked. Alright, so that mix is done. I wanted to show. I messed up and didn't push the button correctly when I did this before, and so I'm having to do this piece again to put inside the video. Anyway, last time I was in Idaho, the very last time, which was what, a couple of months ago, I found this in my storage unit. This is a pump that sucks air out of things for food. It has these little tabs. You can put it on top of jars. So you can put stuff in jars. But anyway, I brought that with me. There wasn't very many things that I brought. This and some photographs, and that was it. But I didn't realize I'd be using this so much, and it works yet after. I think this must be 30 years old, and it still works. Anyway, take a regular Ziploc bag. That's what this will do. And I can always wash these and reuse them. I put the dinner in it. I will press down a little bit here and press down a little bit here to get that seam started and push my little rod inside there. Then put this foam underneath it and on top of it and hold it tight and watch me pump. Take it out quickly and press it down hard, and it is sealed. There is one. Put that over there. I'll get out another one. Now I do have one of those other sealing vacuum pumps that I bought at a secondhand store. I still don't have the bags for it, and don't know where to get them. I just haven't bothered, but I haven't really had it working correctly either, so there was a reason why I was at a secondhand store. Meanwhile, this works, so I should use what I got. And I don't have to buy bags because I have a good supply of Ziplocs here. Oh, look what it's doing to that. That thing is curling it right up. My, this is under pressure. I am impressed with this. Yeah, that's still on there. I thought maybe the pump thing would be wearing out or drying out or something. But I am pleased to see that it is working just like it always has. It cost me about $20 at the time. That was a good investment. Sticking that in the bag right there. I don't know if you can see that. I hope so. I made a little hole there underneath the bag, over the bag. Press it down hard. Quickly take it out. Press it down again. Make sure it's sealed. And there's another one. Kind of neat. I'll be able to see what's in it without having to label it. And it'll be vacuum packed, so it should last longer, even in the freezer, which is where it will be. Oh, I had a few pieces of fish and some soybeans and regular mixed vegetables that were frozen. I bought them that way. And some corn that was frozen. You know, it's cheaper to buy things frozen like that, oftentimes, than it is to buy it fresh. And the vitamins are just as good frozen as they are fresh. And with a lot less work. But it's convenient, because when I'm making these up, I might run out of one ingredient, like I did the zucchini. I made nine packages of those. And then I started running out. So it helps as filler. You'll notice that I've got mixed vegetables in these. I finished up a package of mixed vegetables and started on a package of corn, which I'd already been into anyway. Little cabbages. And here we go. This time I actually did hear the air coming out, so it was important that I hurry along with that. And now they're ready to go in the freezer. I'll stack them up. Presto.